Well, I am a avid watcher of YouTube, and one thing that I've noticed in a lot of beauty videos is some people use eyelash glue, but a lot of people use what I consider to be just track hair glue to put on their eyelashes. So I figured, since I have some time to myself, today is a great day to test out which is better. Alright, so let's get into this. I have my mirror, which I use to apply my makeup on a daily basis. Check the description box. I got it from Amazon. It's great. I love it. Highly recommend it. I have my eyelashes that I also got off of Amazon. I typically get my favorite pair of eyelashes from AliExpress. However, I didn't feel like waiting a long time for shipping, so I ended up searching, you know, what I typically buy on Amazon, and Amazon played me. They sent me these. This is not what I normally buy from AliExpress, but I tried these the other day. I actually really do like these eyelashes. I was looking for eyelashes that look more natural than what I typically buy from AliExpress, and these are just as lash extension-y as my original eyelashes that I typically get. So I was like, whatever, no complaints. I'll still rock with them because they still look cute, so I'm not mad. And I do have some, see, and it even says hair blonde glue, but I've seen people use it. I've used it before on hair, never my eyelashes, which is why I really want to try this, because when I use this on hair, I know that it dries extremely fast, which is one thing that I like versus regular, you know, strip eyelash glue. I feel like this takes a lot longer to get tacky, but like this does say 30 seconds. I feel like it does it in like 10 seconds. Like you can see from where it changes to like from a gray color to a black color to let you know that it's like tacky enough. And I know that it's easy to, you know, take off of if you actually get it on the sink and stuff, but I don't know how good it is to taking off of my eyelashes. I know how easy this is to take off my eyelashes, which is why I really like this. And you know, I'm just hoping this doesn't mess up my eyelashes. I'm gonna give it a go. Let me get the eyelashes out. Boom, we got the eyelashes out. So I'm gonna take this lash right here, and I take a little dab of it, put it on my eyelash like case that it comes in. Let me see if I can get it up here. And then I put the cap back on, and then I actually dab the cap into the eyelash glue, and then go ahead and apply like so. I'm going to take the other eyelash off. Same deal, but this time I'm going to try the hair blend. And I haven't even used this in so long. I hope it comes out. You know, sometimes you have to like clean it out the cap. Let's see what we're working with. Ooh, it came out. Okay. So, and there's actually some left on here, so I can see how much I can get off of this just to make sure I have it off of. Ooh, wow. I kind of like the way it's applying. I feel like I know that it's going to get tacky fast. Oh my gosh. Wow. And I'm having hot flashes, so the screen door is open. If you hear the airplane, that's just what happens. I don't know which one is going to get tacky first. Alright, I'm going to do this one first, just because I did this one first. Okay, and this is my everyday lash glue. I always use lash glue versus hair glue, and that surprisingly went on without a fight. Typically I have to fight my lashes, but hey, looks like it wants to cooperate for the video. Praise God, it's good. Okay, now let's see what we got going on with the hair bond. This is where it gets tricky. Putting it on that inner corner on this eye. I always have a hard time with it. Alright, I got this. let me go add on my like lip liner and stuff, and then I'll be right back. That's basically all I have for this video. I am going to wear these lashes throughout the day. Go outside, like I said, see how windproof these lashes are. If they're going to fly away, if they're going to stay on. I'm going to see what's tea. What's good with the whole track bond on your eyelashes. Stay tuned. Alright, so it is the next day and I had some technical difficulties. Alright, so I'm on the way to Walmart right now to get like my weekly snacks updated. And one thing I know about these lashes is this one with the hair glue, this little corner keep coming up. That's bothering me because my other lash is just on, but this one is doing its own thing. And that is unacceptable, honey. Unacceptable. Yeah, I don't like that. See, look. But look at this one. Perfectly fine. And then look at this one. Oh, so aggy. I don't know about that. I don't know about that at all. Kind of like, you know, wearing my lashes through the wind test, but it could have been user error because when I got home and I removed my lashes and I removed the glue, I felt like the hair bond glue removed just as easy, if not easier, than the traditional eyelash glue that I wear. And then also removing the glue, like leftover residue on the band, was just as easy, if not easier, than the traditional eyelash glue that I wear. I like the actual hair bond method so much that I did it this morning. Oh, and the best part about it that I found out, that I really do like the hair bond glue over the traditional eyelash glue that I use, is because my boo like to call late at night when I already took my lashes off. You know I hate that. Like, communicate, let me know. But either way it goes, I didn't need the, you know, extra 10 minutes that it normally takes me to put on my eyelashes when I use regular eyelash glue. Because last night I put on, you know, hair bond glue. 2 minutes. Like, it normally take me 5 minutes to do one eyelash, let the glue dry, let it sit, you know, clear to white or white to clear. But I was not doing all of that because I'm like, look, let's go ahead and try out the hair bond method again. Tried it. I loved it. So when I woke up this morning, I'm like, I am not about to fight with this eyelash glue that I've always been using. The hair bond glue worked just fine. So I did that this morning. The eyelashes are sitting, you know, so I have no complaints. Honestly, I feel like I'm going to start using hair bond glue versus what I've been using. Like, I feel like what I'm using is going to take a backseat. Like, it'll stay with me just in case, but I feel like my go-to is going to be hair bond glue. The biggest thing is cheaper than eyelash glue. Like, eyelash glue is like $7 to $10. Hair bond, I keep saying blonde. Hair bond glue is literally 99 cents. Like, what, you know, the price is cheaper, the application is easier, the removal process the same, if not easier. So the hair bond glue won for me. I'm going to start using more often. So shout out to the beauty gurus that do it. Y'all just put me on to something because, you know, y'all just put the girl in the game, okay? Wrap it up. I'm going to be out. I'll holler at y'all in my next video. Stay tuned in by subscribing. Alright, so dang, I almost fell. Didn't even know it, I need to show it. Why don't you say so? Didn't even know it. Follow me on TikTok. TikTok because I'm gonna get the dance right. Oh my god. Okay, so the hair glue might actually dry a little too fast for me. I'm gonna have to try this again because I feel like I didn't feel like that was secure. Like how easily I pulled it off. Baby, the Florida wind is disrespectful. It's acting like it's Chicago, and I don't need my lashes flying off in the wind. So, we're gonna try this again, honey. Looking like a little gangster Barbie. No, because it was cold out, so I get to wear my little beanie. Yes! And follow me on TikTok. I'm finna go because I'm finna get on TikTok.